Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making super yummy tiny bites. These are so spicy and so good and the perfect after school snack. So we're going to start with 3 or 4 potatoes and you're going to cut them in the half. Just cut them in the middle to make 6 half pieces of potatoes. And then what you're going to do is put them in a pot filled with water and boil them. So put them on a stove, and once you hear 3 whistles, take them out. So there's the last whistle, really foggy. Don't put your face into it. And take out the potatoes. Now make sure to peel them all, and warning, they are really hot. And now you're gonna just grate them. Now be careful as these potatoes are really soft and you could hurt yourself. Just make sure to do it slowly. You could also mash it up with a fork or your hand until you get something like this. This will be the main ingredient for our tiny bites. So you're going to add 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. Then you're going to add 3 teaspoons of rice flour as well. And then you're going to add some salt. Now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can also add more if you wish. And then you're going to mix it up together. At first, it may be very hard to mix, but keep squishing that dough together and eventually it'll turn into something like this. So once you get it turned into this, take about half or 1/3 of the dough and roll it into a thin stick. So take basically a lemon-sized ball and roll it out. Just like that. And keep making it thinner and thinner, but not too thin or else the tiny bites won't work. Now you're going to cut it into small pieces. These are our bites. So cut them up, and once you're done, take one and press your fork lightly into it, like a soft pillow. Just like that. This will help make it flatter and will give it that nice shape and design on it. So do it to all of them, and once you're done, take them. As you can see, they are really flat. Take them and deep fry them. So put them in a vat of oil and fry. So keep doing this, and it may take a few minutes based on how hot the oil is, but make sure to flip them every few seconds just so they get roasted on both sides. Once they're golden brown, take them out. This is how you'll know that they're ready. Take them out and put them on a napkin to get all of that extra oil off. And you're done. Serve it with your family, your friends, and enjoy. You can sprinkle chaat masala on top too to give it a little popping flavor. This is the perfect after school snack for kids. Crunchy, delicious, and super good. Especially with ketchup if you're a ketchup lover. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel and enjoy this super yummy, perfect after school snack. Bye!